All right. This one is called Short Gigs. Um, I'm gonna hire. You can hire a creator, pay when the work is approved. On Short Gigs, creators are chosen for talent, fit, and earn trust. Never money, noise, or gaming. Brands discover creators and invite them, and creators discover open opportunities and apply. Um, so pretty much what's going to happen is creators build a craft. A creator is a specific craft, a travel creator, a beauty creator, a food creator, not a generic profile in a queue. Brands discover that talent, and then opportunities belong to both. So the talent, so the creator or the brand can get paid, either one. Brands browse real creators and invite the ones that fit. Creators also discover opportunities and apply when they choose. And then the opportunities belong to both. Like I said, so great creators discover to be discovered, deserve to be discovered, and brands deserve to find them. Short Gives connects them. Creators are chosen for talent, fit, and earn trust, never money, noise, or gaming. No following yet. You start on an equal footing. Your first gig is earned by work, craft, and fit, never by an audience or follower count. Doom, doom, doom. 30 to 40. So they have different type of short gig terms. This one's paying $100. It tells you a little bit about that. So $30 to $45, 30 to 45 second motion crypt explainers how protected payment works. So it tells you short gigs holds a brand's payment safely when a creator is hired and releases it when the deliver work is approved. So creators always get paid for their approved work, and brands never pay for work that never arrives. We need a 30 to 45 second motion graphics explainer of that flow aimed at a skeptical first time brand. The story in 4 beats. Brands hire and funds the work. Creator delivers, brand approves, payment releases the creator. Clean flat or semi flat style, our brand plateaus supply with app hire after login. So they tell you all the deliverables of how you can apply. You got to log in, create an account, and then if you are a brand, you can post a gig. But then they have some other ones here too that I can talk. Then they have a 60 to 90 product demo video for creator market. That's about $300. So anywhere you can get paid it's between 150 to $300. Um, and these are just a little bit more information about that. So you can join them on X, and they can tell you a little bit more about the program. But these are the ones that they got, and they're going to have more opportunities too as you expand and your trust with renowned brands. You'll be able to do that. But other than that, you guys have a great day, and I'll leave the link in the description.